stop. If you're thinking about buying VidForce AI, there's something you need to know first, because this tool claims it can create high-converting videos in minutes, drive traffic, and even help you make money online. But is it actually legit, or just another overhyped AI launch? Stay with me, because what I found might surprise you. If you decide to get VidForce AI after watching this video, make sure you grab it through the link in the description, because I'm giving away 5 powerful bonuses worth $2,400 plus absolutely free that will help you turn this into a real income system. What is VidForce AI? VidForce AI is an AI-powered video creation and marketing tool designed to help you create engaging videos without editing skills, without expensive software, and without spending hours. It basically combines video creation, automation, and marketing features into one simple platform, so you can create videos for YouTube, ads, social media, and more. Benefits: why people are interested. Now here's why people are getting excited about VidForce AI. No technical skills required, saves hours of video editing time, perfect for beginners and marketers, helps create content for multiple platforms, can be used for affiliate marketing, YouTube, and client work. And the biggest reason? Video content is dominating in 2026, and tools like this help you keep up without burning time or money. Inside VidForce AI, you're getting AI video creator, ready-made templates, automation features, marketing tools, and easy-to-use dashboard. Basically, you input your idea, the AI handles the heavy lifting, and you get a ready-to-use video. This makes it super beginner-friendly. Now let's be honest. Here are the pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, beginner-friendly, saves time, affordable compared to tools and multiple use cases. Cons: not fully done for you. You still need ideas, quality depends on input and not a magic money tool. And that's important, because no tool makes money for you, you do. So what results you can expect? With VidForce AI, you can create content faster, grow YouTube or social media, promote affiliate offers, and offer video services to clients. But again, results depend on your effort, strategy, and consistency. Now let's talk about the real value. If you grab VidForce AI through my link, you get these bonuses. Free bonus 1 content marketing blueprint. Learn how to use content to build an audience, create fans, and turn them into buyers. Free bonus 2 list building kickstart. Learn how to build an email list and generate easy triple-digit paydays consistently. Free bonus 3 high-paying clients. Discover how to attract and close clients who pay 2x, 5x, even 10x more. Free bonus 4 perfect online video training. Master the art of creating videos that actually convert and engage. Free bonus 5 to 20 profitable online business ideas. Get 20 ready-to-use ideas you can start today. Total bonus value: $2,485 plus yours free, limited time only. So, is VidForce AI worth it? If you want faster video creation, beginner-friendly tool, and entry into video marketing, then yes, it's worth trying. But don't expect magic. Use it as a tool, not a shortcut. And remember, this is a launch period deal, so pricing and bonuses can disappear anytime. Click the link in the description, grab VidForce AI, and lock in all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.